Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make Chinese cucumber salad. Hope you will like it. First, prepare a cucumber and cut it into strips. Add 2 spoons of salt. Mix well and let it marinate for at least 20 minutes. In the meantime, we can prepare the sauce. We need to cut some dried chilies. Mice some garlic. Add half spoon of sichuan pepper. Prepare the pan and heat some oil. Pour the hot oil into the bowl. This will help to release the flavor of garlic, dried chilies, and sichuan pepper. Add 1 spoon of soy sauce, 1 spoon of vinegar, half spoon of oyster sauce, some sugar, and some sesame oil. Mix well and the sauce is ready. Now we need to wash the cucumber. Wash them for 2 times, or else it will be too salty. Salt can make the moisture in the cucumber seep out, and this will make this cucumber salad taste like pickles. Now pour the sauce to the cucumbers. Mix well and it is ready. If you like my cooking recipes, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot and I will see you guys soon.